It's inspired by Edgar Allan Poe. Black Canary sings to me. She tells me all the things she wants to be. Wonder where she goes in the night. Wonder what it's like when she is taking flight. Where do you go? What do you Black Canary flew away. Hope she finds a place where she likes to stay. Is there something else she'd like to see? Does she have a choice, or is she flying free? What do you see? Can you look through the same eyes and see a different scene? When it's my time, I'll go. And I'll know I'll go. And I'll know. Black Canary flew away. Where she finds a place, that's where she'll lay. Black Canary hides away where the sun rests, that's where she'll lay. Thank you guys.